Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you what you need to do if some of your files, your recorded file, for example in Premiere Pro I would like to edit this video clip. Video files come with so many extensions. For example, this video file which I record from OBS Studio, it has the file extension of MKV, and sure, there are so many video files with MKV format which you need to remember. And while opening this from Premiere Pro, it's gonna import and it says that file format not supported. So definitely you will come across this problem. So there are so many ways to solve this. Either you need to change your screen recorder software, or you can change the format of the output file that your recording software provides if it is feasible. If not, if you have just this file and you need to work in Premiere Pro, you need to convert this to another extension. Like you need to convert the video type. For this I have Handbrake, which is very handy software. You can use any other, like I used to have Format Factory, but looks like it is working very slow. So in the other hand, Handbrake is free and it is super handy, and not only for changing the extension or converting the video, it does a lot of other stuff than that. When you import that video in this Handbrake, what you need to remember is you need to make sure that this video format is MP4 or supported file. If you have other options, it depends on the version. So, and after that I don't think you need to change any other thing. From here you can change the video type, like video 1080 with 30 fast compression, and after everything is done, your video will be saved here. I'm going to start recording, and so now after it's completed, you can see another file with the same file name, just one. Okay, and after that, if you import this video clip on your Premiere Pro, so now it is over here. Okay, so from here you can adjust the video clip with your frame, and now you are good to go. So if you have unsupported media, you can just convert it using any of those softwares. So that's it for this video. I hope you find this video very helpful. If it was helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.